Hello folks, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter in Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to showcase this 2021 170 wheelbase gas model that I brought in. Selenite Grey Metallic. It has the LED headlights. It's got the, we got our nice fog lights here. And this van does have the 360-degree camera, which is really nice. So you have one camera right here, just under the chrome grille. And then we'll come around here to the passenger side. So we have cameras underneath of the exterior rear view mirrors right here as well. So we added a window on the passenger side sliding door. Also, this has the wood floor with the anti-slip coating. We added some skylights from the factory. So you got two rectangular skylights here, and then there's two small ones in the very back. During the day, it lets the light in. And then we're gonna come around here to the back of the van. So we had the factory trailer hitch installed at the factory, so you can tow a 5,000-pound trailer with this really nice Sprinter van as well. And it does have the 270-degree doors, so they open all the way up. And then Mercedes-Benz has let us add a step here too, so you can step on that. Grab handle up here, easy access in and out of the back of the van. And the 170 gives you 14 feet 6 inches of floor space to utilize as well. So it's great for a contractor. Could turn it into a camper van, whichever you might be looking for. So now we're going to hop in the cab of the van. I'm going to go over a bunch of the features and benefits in the cab with you. All right, folks, so we're sitting in the front seat of this really nice Selenite Grey Metallic cargo van, 170 wheelbase gas model. I'm going to start out right here up in the dash area. So you can see this pad right here. This is actually for to charge your phone, wireless charging, iPhone or Droid. It does have the USB drives, so you have your C ports. The MBUX system that I'm going to show you too, you can actually do your Apple CarPlay in here, get your apps off your phone, which is really nice. So we'll start right at the beginning. This is touchscreen. It's also voice activated as well. We'll start right here with the phones. So you compare two phones, which is very nice. Very nice navigation system. You can also shrink the screen down, just like on your phone, which is really nice. It's very, very user-friendly. We have the SiriusXM AM/FM radio. And there is a media section here where you can connect other devices. And here's an info center right here. This is pretty neat. So there's a variety of things in here. I'm not sure how to read all this. I know it shows your RPMs and things like that. The van's just idling at this point. One of the really cool things though is your fuel consumption. So this van only has about 8 miles on it right now. So this miles per gallon is not accurate. There's a lot of idle time, but the vans typically will get 18 to 20 miles per gallon on fuel. And then there's an app store. And also we have vehicle settings here. So the van automatically comes with ESP, which is your stability control. This one has a parking assist as well. There's much more in this MBUX system as well. I just wanted to review a few things with you. One of the really neat things this van has is the 360-degree camera. So you can see all the way around the van, but also you can see very nicely behind us as well. And also this has the trailer hitch, so you can line a trailer up very simply using the yellow line. And also we have a nice wide angle rear view camera in there. So just some really nice features. You also have controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel where you can answer your phone and hang it up, control the volume of your radio, and you can control the MBUX system. There's a little mouse pad here. We have your cruise control set up on the left hand side of the steering wheel. This van is also equipped with heated seats, and also these are Leatherette comfort seats too. They have just very comfortable, and that's about it in here, folks. So if this is a van that interests you, or if you're looking for something particular, my name is Roger. Please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me on my cell phone at 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.